Hello guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. There's something I've been wanting to do on this car for a while now, and today we have it right here. These are coilovers. I want to install them on the car. I don't know if you can see it on the car. You see how those wheels are tucked in? They're not supposed to be like that. Those wheels are not supposed to be like that, and on the other side it's actually worse, to be honest. On the other side, and that's because the previous owner used H&R springs to lower the car, but then the springs are literally dead. They're mashed together at the back. I had to replace shocks a while ago. I thought it was the shocks that were the issue. It wasn't the shocks. The shocks were actually good. It was just the springs that were bad, which were still messing up with my tires. And you can see, you can't see those, but let me see, maybe you can see this. See this? There's literally no trade here because I had to take those wheels from the back and bring them to the front because that camber messed up the tires, and there's literally no trade here. That's what we're gonna try and fix today. I'm gonna try and install the coilovers, and that should work. After I install the coilovers, we shouldn't have any issue with those stuff anymore, hopefully, and the car will ride lower. That's what I want, for the car to ride lower, but not to the point that it's gonna be rubbing, because I want to put a front lip, maybe not now, but after. We'll see. I'm not sure, but first off, let's open this box and see what we have in there. Okay, here you have it. Let's take this out. Here you go. So the coilovers, AB Racing coilovers. To be honest, this is the only time that I didn't buy any part to use on this car from eBay. Literally everything I buy from eBay, because why not? Everything, literally now everything is made in China. Every manufacturer has a company in China, so it's pretty much almost all the same, so you might as well just buy what you can. Okay, so these are the rear shocks and the springs, and we still have the front coils and everything here. I'm not really familiar with this. I have never done it, to be honest, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that correct. So I'm going to start with the rear ones, and then I'm going to try and find out how to install those. If not, I'm just going to ask my friend for help, and we'll fix them right. But I'm pretty sure I figured out these rear ones. I'm going to start with them, and then we'll see what happens. Okay, so I think I figured this out, right? It's here. This side the rear. I'm trying to do the rear first because I don't know how you mess with the camber at the front and those. I'm gonna try and set up the rear first, and then I'm gonna see if I can do the fronts today. If not, then I'm gonna have to do it some other time, maybe with my friends. But then for now, I gotta figure out like how this stuff works. All of this is a bit complicated, but I'm gonna try and figure it out right here, have them identical, and then put them on the car. So this is pretty much gonna be similar to what I did when I changed my shocks. I'm gonna have to take out the shocks. I'm gonna have to drop them. And I'm gonna have to take out the wheel and take out the springs, and then put those ones that come with the coilovers. So what I figured out is, right, this one right here is what you adjust the right heading. Obviously, that's why look at this. This is shit. It's gone, to be honest. It's priced too goes to the side. Check this out. See the difference? This is definitely going to be lower, but I can definitely adjust this to be higher than this because I want the car to like rise a bit higher. So this is what you use. This is the ride height adjustment, I guess, from what I figured out. So that goes beneath. It's about similar height right now, but I want it to be like a bit higher, so I just might raise it up a bit more. You see? Okay, it's getting dark out here and I'm able to get wine there. I'm not even sure if I did the settings right. I'm just glad that it's in there, and I'm gonna do it to the other side. Hopefully it doesn't get dark before I finish everything, and then that'll probably be it. Then we'll figure out the ones at the front some other day.